All right, everybody, it's clowny time, yay, woo! Ow, no, my nipple. All right, we're gonna make the cotton candy cocktail, but first, we gotta be a bartender. Wee, wee, wee. Oh, I dropped the glass. Sorry, I'm just kidding. I didn't drop the glass, okay? All right, okay. Cotton candy cocktail. This is a beautiful drink. You're gonna love this. Hey, I'm telling you folks, I'm a good bartender. Listen to me. Tell me your troubles. All right, look. We take some cotton candy, pop it in the old glass. Take some of the vodka there. Whee! Pour it right over. Look at that. 2 ounces, beautiful. We're gonna add some more. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. Delicious, magnifique, excellent, vivacious, Aquarius, obsequious. Excuse obfuscation. I don't know, I'm a clown. What do you want? Poetry? All right. Add a little ice. Make it a little nice cold drink. Ooh, top it off with club soda. The cotton candy cocktail. Every clown's favorite drink. Something you should strive to make at home. Remember not to play your rubber chicken too hard. You can love your pets, you just can't love your pets. Hey everybody, it's just Joey. Thank you so much for watching the wonderful videos. Like them, comment, subscribe. Hey, have a good day. Thank you for watching Liqr.com.